What to do when your Toyota lease ends. This is Tom.
Hi.
Alexis.
Hi.
And Lulu.
Hi.
And their lease is just coming to an end.
There are just
So many options.
There are just 3 options.
Right. 3 options for my Lisa.
When your lease comes to an end, you've got 3 options. Replace your current vehicle with a brand new Toyota, return your Toyota, purchase your current Toyota.
Right, there's just 3.
got it.
And in this video, we're going to help you, Alexis, Lulu, and Tom decide on what to do next.
Hi. So I think I know what I want to do. I'm all about the latest technology, so I'm going to want to get in a new Toyota.
And by going with the replace option, you'll also be getting the latest safety features, perhaps improved fuel economy, depending on which Toyota you choose, and...
No. For me, it's really all about the technology.
Great! Other common reasons to go new include enhanced performance, style, new warranty, incentives, and new car smell.
Actually, I just want to return my car. I'm moving downtown and I won't have a parking space.
Then we've got you covered too. You'll be taking us up on the return option.
Phew.
But I love my Toyota.
Ah, excellent.
No, you don't understand. I really, really love my Toyota. It's got a name and everything.
Well, in that case, you can elect to purchase your leased vehicle.
Ah!
And there are many other reasons you might want to purchase your lease. Maybe you've put a few extra miles on it or taken it on one too many off-road adventures.
What? I'd never go off-roading with my baby.
Right.
So what do I do now?
We've got videos that explain all 3 options in greater detail.
New car, here I come.
I'm gonna miss my Toyota.
Me and my baby forever. I mean, you've seen how many miles Toyotas run for, right?
Toyota Financial Services, making your lease end nice and simple.